my channel. Sorry I haven't been active on here. I've been kind of busy, but mostly just lazy, to be honest. This week I have off because the kids are back in school, so I kind of been busy with like getting them ready for back to school and everything, buying them all their supplies, their clothes, their shoes, whatever, etc. Anyways, I took the first week off just to get them adjusted to their schedule because my little one just started kinder, so she went from preschool to kinder. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of time to film for you guys. So I'm gonna film a look today. Don't know what it is. I'm just gonna take you as I go. I was gonna go to Sephora and get the Makeup Forever palette, and it has like the cream. It's supposed to be like a, not a good, like, I guess like a color correcting palette. Anyways, they have some that have like white, blue, like white and red and blue, and like anyways all the colors in the color wheel, whatever. And I want to get that. I was gonna get that one, and I was like, oh, I could just pat this, blah blah blah. Y luego me puse a pensar y dije, well, I don't really need that one, you know, because well, I don't know if it's hella expensive, but I mean, if I'm just gonna use it for Halloween, like more than likely, knowing me, I'm not gonna take care of it. I'm gonna just be like, oh, whatever. And you know, I guess it's expensive. I don't know how much it is. I gotta look it up. I'll put it right here if it's expensive or not, yes or no. I don't know. I didn't do my research on it yet, but Makeup Forever is not cheap, so I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna come with the price tag. Using my old brush. By the way, guys, I started using it again. I just thought it looked better. Why am I putting my foundation on? Oh my god, I'm supposed to do my eyeshadow first. And my eyeshadow's gonna get all over my foundation. I'm gonna get a fluffy brush, for instance this one. It's called Limit, it's that one. I'm gonna go into that one. Cut crease type of, not cut crease. I'm just gonna put this on what I like about these Urban Decay shadows is that they're hella easy to blend. You don't gotta, no le tienes que batallar tanto. I'm gonna choose this one for the James Charles. I think it's like a blush. It's gonna be hella dark, watch. Oh no, not that much. See, like these you gotta blend a lot. As long as you know how to blend, you're good now. Black, the James Charles. jumbo pencil in milk. Brush, Bobbi Brown brush, not Marc Jacobs. Haven't shown you guys the colors I used, guys, sorry. So I used this one and this black. So this is the brown and this is the black, and then I showed you guys the light one that I used. Oh, anyways, this hot pink right here. The jumbo pencil. And put that on my waterline. I'm gonna go into the Morphe palette. Interrupted with phone calls and messages, sorry guys. Right now I'm just blending two of the blush colors from the James Charles palette. Highlighter. This is the one I always use, by the way. I'm gonna try some from the James Charles palette. So I'm gonna just put that coconut cream, put a dress on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in the next video.